Nothing, it's raining that much. It's been raining for 4 days continuously now. It's been raining for the whole week actually. Can't do anything, feel trapped, can't go outside, can't go for a walk. Today I don't feel like doing anything, nothing at all. It is that time of the day when you feel extremely lazy, extremely bored. You don't even want to move. It's extremely lethargic. That's what I'm feeling now, today, at this point, this moment. It's making me kind of very lazy and bored to do anything. But still, we made a nice chocolate cake yesterday and it was fun. We enjoyed it. We had it. From our window, we actually see the sea, but it's all foggy and misty. Nothing can be seen. I'm going to cook lazy person's food today, which is just rice and dahi tadka. I had this in Himachal actually. Auntie used to, when I was staying the homestay, auntie used to make dahi tadka, and when I asked her, she said that it is like a lazy person's food because it gets done like in just 1 to 2 minutes. And that's what I'm going to cook today also. Our house help has taken it. We gave her a chutti actually because it's been raining so much. Let everyone enjoy the rain with some chai and pakodas at home. We thought of making pakodas, but Blinkit doesn't have besan. And I don't know how else to make pakodas without besan. It wouldn't taste good without besan. Besan is the crux of all the pakodas. Grind it. How? Chana dal. I'm not going to take so much of effort of grinding the chana dal and making besan. My rice is getting cooked and then I'm going to make some dahi tadka and have food. By the way, this is how my dahi tadka looks. I also made some aloo sabzi, so maybe aloo sabzi, dahi tadka and rice. Look at Hero's food. Hero garam hai, abhi mat kha. Wait. Hero, sit down. Hero, shake hand. Hero, shake hand, mama. Why are you upset today with me? Guju guju, I'll do you guju 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 guju. Shake hand now. Come on, jaldi. Thank you, mama. Oh, yeah. It's paining. It's paining for you. Why? Why is it paining for you? Why is it paining for you? Okay, come on, have your food now. Have your food. Jaldi. Have your food. Have your food. Have your food. Say something about the rain.
It's raining shit here.
So we're gonna sit here and enjoy some rains. Hero, How was your walk? Look at this chickali.
Nè. Giờ tôi phong gì con hả? Tao phong gì? Nè. Cái sẽ lê không hả?
Moving my planters. Bus. This tulsi you can move that side. That is not getting damaged. Only my this one.
The big one.
Those big plants you can move in that side, that corner.
And then push this on that side.
Yeah. This also.
Get this room.
This also, no, keep it towards inside. It's delicate.
Yeah. Now give me a bucket of water.
I'll give you a bucket of water. I'll give you a bucket of water. There are so many plants I haven't planted only. Be mindful of the lizard. Lizard will jump on you.
I'll squeeze them and eat them alive. Let me wash my hands and legs.
Wait, I'm giving you water. Here.
Mom?
Getting. Here. My hair is looking nice and silky because I did hair care yesterday. I have a whole range of parachute rosemary stuff. So there's a pre-wash mask, then the shampoo, and then the parachute conditioner. Also it's paraben free, so very less chemicals, and I use that, and my hair is very much silky and very soft. The texture has changed. I have tied it because it tangles a lot and I don't want my hair to get tangled, but it's very much nice, smooth and silky. Instead of just talking about my hair care, I thought why not I'll just show you what I use. So these are the products that I've used for my hair. Product number 1 is this hair mask. It's from Parachute and it's a pre-wash hair mask. So before washing my hair, sometimes I oil, sometimes I do not oil, but before washing my hair I just put this like a mask. So it's like a rich creamy texture. Smells also good, so I just use this on my hair. I apply it on my hair throughout evenly like a mask on, and let it stay for like 30 minutes. And after that, when I am washing my hair in the shower, I use from the same range. I use a protein shampoo and a protein conditioner. So all these products have coconut milk and rosemary, and it is also known to prevent hair fall. And the major reason I use this is because this is paraben free. So all the products these days have a lot of chemicals, and I try and reduce the use of chemicals on my body. So if you see, I am not a big fan of skincare. I'm not a big fan of skin care products and sunscreen and moisturizer, makeup too. So you often see me on the videos with my bare skin. So this is how I look throughout. I do use a little makeup, but also I try and use products which are herbal or chemical free, and one day I'll show you what kind of makeup I use. I do use it for my meetings and when I'm going out. For now, I'll show you the texture of my hair. How has it turned out to be? So I tie my hair because I have used a lot of chemical before, which leads to a lot of tangling, and that is why, you know, whenever I wash my hair, I tie it up nicely and keep it. But this is how my hair looks right now, because I washed it and I tied it into a nice braid, so it's giving me this nice curls. Otherwise, I have very straight hair. You can see here, this is my original hair. It's very straight. So this is how my hair has turned out to be. The texture is very light and smooth and silky, and I've been using this throughout my pregnancy also, and this has helped me quite a lot. So I would recommend you to try it. हर जगह देखो मेरे पीछे आना है, खाना है, जो जाके खाना खा। भी मेरे लिए रुकेगा ना यहाँ पर? आ जल्दी जल्दी, अभी हीरो बैठना है, सिट डाउन। गुड बॉय। फोटो में अच्छा आना चाहिए। अभी शेक हैंड दे दे। शेक हैंड क्यों नहीं दे रहा आज? Put my baby down, and it's also time for me to say bye to y'all. I hope you liked today's vlog and keep supporting me like this. For all those who have not subscribed to my channel yet, please go and subscribe now. Bye.